Hey there, how's it going? Now I'm going to open this with a question. How would you like to get results like what you're seeing on the screen right now? That's right, so this is taken from one of my inboxes, and if you like the idea of being able to earn anywhere from $300 to $1,000 each, working just a couple of hours a week, then you are in the right course or the right program.
If you want to sell your own courses and programs at prices between $300 to $1,000 each, working just a couple of hours a week, then pay close attention to this message. I'm an online business owner like you, and for the longest time, I've been looking for ways to sell my own courses effectively. This might sound laughable now, but I've tried methods like cold calling, cold email outreach, posting in FB groups, growing my followers on social media, blogging even. After all that, I didn't even sell a single copy. If you can relate, then you know it's frustrating to see your hard work not rewarded at all. Honestly, I felt like giving up. Then I observed what the experts were doing and I figured, why not? That was when I noticed they were all doing the same thing, using webinars. And the cool thing I found out was, it's not exactly a weapon reserved for them. In fact, anyone can do it too, with the right system and approach. To me, this makes sense because with webinars, I have the leverage to reach many people and spend just a couple of hours doing my presentation. It's the perfect vehicle to peddle middle and high ticket offers. And can it be more than $1,000? Absolutely. It's a great trust builder and I could answer my prospects on the spot. As a bonus, I passively build myself up as an authority figure, even though I didn't set out to be one in the first place. And if you want to know how you can do the same, then with your permission, I would like to announce my implementation step-by-step course on how to start, launch and sell your own programs through webinars. You will discover how to craft your webinar presentation so it's designed to sell. That means you get each component formula that builds such a presentation. You will also discover how to design your message from start to call to action at the end. Plus you will learn the ins and outs of a proven webinar business system as used by top marketers around the world. This is just the gist. You can get the full details below this video. I know of webinar masters that charge $5,000 to train others on this. And if you think about it, $5,000 is a small price to pay to build $1 million business. Even if this gives you a comfortable six-figure a year business, wouldn't that be super worth it? The good news is, I have no intention of charging anything like that today. I want to make this a bit more affordable so you can get your hands on this and jumpstart your webinar business ASAP. At the same time, I cannot give this away for free. Why? Because anything given away for free is not appreciated at all. Instead, I will reward fast action takes with a massive scholarship discount. That's right. Act right now by clicking the order button below. Make your payment through our secure server. This is instant access. That means after making your purchase, you will be able to access the course and dive in right away. No wait, the price reveal is below this video. So act right now and get my webinar business course at a heavily discounted price.